Ever wanted to make your product photos stand out or clean up a selfie instantly without paying a cent? Imagine uploading any photo and having the background disappear in seconds. No software, no hassle, no string attached. Today, I'm showing you a tool that gives you perfect transparent background, absolutely free, unlimited use, and no watermark. It's first work on any device, and you don't need any design skills to get pro results. Watch till the end because I will share the website link in the description and pinned comment so you can try it yourself right after this video. This is Digi Whisper, your shortcut to smarter digital tools. I'm Saif, your digital product enthusiast. Let's get started. So I am in remove.bg website. This is a very excellent website. And to use this website, you just need to upload your image first. You don't need to log in or sign up in this website. It's completely without account. You can use this tool. So let's find out an image that we can make transparent. So I am searching on Google for an image like Elon Musk. So your image should be, first of all, image should be clear and high quality. And the second thing is image contrast should be clear. Contrast should be clear means the background and the foreground, or the subject and the background, should be clear, distinctive. So let's find out a good image. So this is a very good example of image, or you can use this image as well. But I want to share you another thing. See, the background is black and the dress color is black. So sometimes this may create some technical issue. So to make any image background transparent and very clear, you should select an image that has the subject and background difference in color. So I am using this image, but this image is not so much clear or high quality. This image is pretty clear, so I can use this image. I'm just downloading this image first. Download done, and now I want to upload it. Just I can drag and drop the image here or manually upload, and boom, your image is now transparent. And just download it. I can download the free version 610 by 409, this size. But if I want to download the maximum size, I need to unlock it to their pro feature. But I think this feature is more than enough. You don't need to do anything. So my image is completely transparent. So I can use this image in anywhere, in any of my design or anywhere. So let's try another image. So now I want to make another image transparent. So let's say this image. So another thing is your image should be JPG or PNG file. But in current stage, when we are trying to download this image, we see this image is WebP version. So to download this, first you need to download in PNG version. Okay, so image has been downloaded in my computer. Here is the image. So I want to upload it now, remove.bg. I am in their homepage now and uploading the image. Okay. Boom, your image is transparent. See the result. So this is the way you can make your image transparent to use any of your design or anywhere. Just see, this image is completely transparent. You don't need to a Photoshop, or you don't need to a Canva Pro account. Just without Canva Pro or Photoshop and without prior knowledge, anyone can remove any types of image using this software. And I will give this software link in the description and comment. So thank you so much for watching this video.